VisionX Lighting was founded in 1997. Since then, we have become the leading manufacturer of LED lighting, and we create solutions for partners all around the world. This year, we're up 12% over last year, so you can imagine that type of growth is extremely hard to keep up with. The growth is definitely directly related to SAP Business One. Within SAP Business One, we've created divisions so we can clearly see what each segment of the business is doing, which has helped us make decisions much faster and, of course, much better decision making.
For someone in the manufacturing industry, SAP Business One is the right solution because it is an all-in-one solution that comprises all the different aspects of manufacturing, of the inventory, of the logistics in a single solution. It's a game changer. Again, what it's changed for the business, the way it's moved us forward. Again, it's a business game changer.
I would recommend SAP Business One to the manufacturing industry. For the visibility into the BOMs and the process that puts into place. It's really changed how we do things as a company. And then obviously once implemented, ease of use. So obviously our employees within the first week adapted to it. They worked within it and they found it a lot more efficient. Having Vision33 in Washington was obviously, I think, crucial for the implementation. One of the core fundamentals when we talked about implementing it is that we wanted a local company who could be on site and that we could work with, hand in hand, not somebody over the phone that was telling us what we were doing right or doing wrong, from several states away. So it was definitely crucial having the Vision33 team here locally.
The most important thing for VisionX Lighting is to work with all our partners around the world, as well as consolidating the plant information, which we can do a lot more effectively using SAP Business One, as well as the help of Vision33.